So, my mom and I were out at dinner last night. When we came home, Nigel was dragging this knuckle here and is now missing another tooth, so he only has one canine left of the four he was born with. We rushed him to the teaching hospital, and as soon as I move my shadow, it gets in the way. There are some bite wounds here on this leg that's all shaved up. He got into a fight with, we're guessing, another cat, so they gave him IV fluids, which is what this bandage is for. He has a little wound on this, one of his ears. This one, right here. Small one. Yeah, like I said, he was dragging this knuckle here on his left front paw. So this morning, my mom and I put this splint on him just so that he's, walking somewhat normally on it. He's a little zonked out right now from the pain meds, but nothing's broken, nothing's dislocated, like what we thought when we first saw him, just because of how he was dragging that leg. Yeah, but he's gonna do just fine. We didn't get home until about 12:30 in the morning. He's on some pretty strong pain meds and antibiotics, so yeah. And he has 2 litter boxes. He only uses one as a litter box, and this is the one that he normally uses as a bed anyway. Yeah, so we have him closed up in the laundry room so he doesn't try to jump up on things. Yeah. He's just gonna be a little sleepy boy today. Yeah. Yeah, but this fight turned out like his fights normally do. I mean, you should see the other guy. I bet whoever he got in a tussle with is worse off than him, so. Yeah, he is something. We already spent over $1,000 on him just in the past week in vet bills, because last Thursday my boss came out here to do an exam and blood work on him, and that costs $260. And then last night my mom and I spent about $730 on him. Oh, I know, boo. Oh, hey. There, yeah. You just rest your little head. I know, I bet it hurts even with the pain meds, yeah. Okay, yeah, you just sleep. You good boy. Yeah, he really had us worried. Bet he's gonna be just fine.